Yahoo! Today we are going to do something fun. We are going to McDonald's and we are going to get the brand new Super Mario Galaxy Happy Meal. I think it's going to be awesome. There's someone over here mowing. I don't know what they're doing. Get away. Get out of here. We're going to go have some fun. We're going to try it out. Are we going to get chicken tenders or chicken nuggets? Or are we going to get, McNuggets? Or are we going to get cheeseburgers? I don't know. But what I'm most excited about is the toy. But anyway, let's get going. So come on and join me. Starting our day out here with Miss Rivy. We of course went to Seven Brews, got Seven Brews, and she got a pup cup. And look at her little face. Come here, Rivy, look. Look, she is all decked out because she's got all kinds of pup cup in her face. And she tried to rub... What is that? What is that? She tried to rub her face on the ground and... You sound like you need a new bath. Angie's here too. You ready, babe? Let's go. All right, here we are. Curbside number 8. Yes, we're using curbside. And we're going to wait on our Happy Meal to get here because we are children and we want our Super Mario Galaxy toy. The movie comes out in a couple of days and I actually booked my tickets to go Tuesday night at midnight. I know she's not going to go, but I'm going to go and I'm going to have a good time. A big old popcorn, a big old drink, and we're just going to have a good time at the Mario movie. We need to watch the first one again, for sure. But there's also, spoiler alert, Fox McCloud is going to be in the movie, apparently, and going to be voiced by Glenn Powell, which is really cool. Okay, here we go. Here it is. Super Mario Galaxy Happy Meal. Look at that. I mean, would you just look at it? Would you look at this? That looks pretty cool. I do like Bowser on the side here. And of course, you can explore more of the galaxy on the other side here too, which is awesome. But the more important thing is, we got to get to the toy. We got to see what's going on in here with the toy. So let's do that. All right, let's open her up. Oh, looks like we have 2 fries in here and the nuggets. But the most important thing is the toy. Look at that. That's cool. All right, let's find out what we have in here. So we know what McDonald's food tastes like. Of course, I'm going to review the chicken nuggets. Of course. But let's open this up. Let's see who we get. I'm like really excited right now. As a kid, I always felt like I got the toy that I didn't want the most, you know. But let's see who we're going to get here. Let's unravel it. It's perfect! Look at that! Luigi! In his frog gear. That is awesome. That is so cool. Look at Luigi. It's a Luigi. It's perfect. Wow, it couldn't be any more perfect from this video, could it? Wow, look at him. I love Luigi so much. I mean, obviously, as a kid, I would grow up with my brothers and stuff. I would always choose Luigi. Like, even if like my older brother wanted to be Luigi or Mario, I would always want to be Luigi. So this is cool. I'm not really sure exactly what this is supposed to do. There are different ones on... Oh, they're keychains. That's what they are. That's awesome. Let me show you the other ones. So yeah, it's a keychain type of thing. So you open it up like this. And then it just kind of... You can see where it kind of splits apart right there. And then you just put it on the keychain. That's cool. I don't know if I'll actually keep it on a keychain because I think it'll get kind of messed up. Like I don't want Luigi's face to get all messed up. But it's awesome. Also, let me show you this really quickly. They have on here all the other ones that you can get. That Bowser one looks awesome. And then Fire Mario. Oh, come on. Who doesn't want Fire Mario? For some reason, it's kind of weird looking on the box. But maybe you're supposed to wear your 3D glasses or something. I don't know. But that's incredible. That's awesome. Good job. All right, now, these little French fries are so funny. The best fries in all of humanity. I mean, come on. And then we have the chicken nuggets. McNuggets. See if they still taste the same. Pretty much. Still pretty dang good. So there it is, trying the brand new Super Mario Galaxy Happy Meal. You know, there's not a lot to Happy Meals. They are just what they are, right? They're meant for kids and grown kids as well. But as I was saying, I'm really looking forward to the new movie coming out. I think it's going to be awesome. I really liked the first one a lot. I thought they did a really good job. After multiple viewings of it, though, I can see the weakness in some of the areas there. With some of the plots and stuff, but it's still fine. It's just fun. It's a good time at the movies. Also, what I really want to see is for Epic Universe, I want to see them do a Fox McCloud like plush, or maybe even a meet and greet. Who knows? We might get these kind of things, and that would be really cool to see. So we'll have to wait and see. But I would like to do more of these reviews. This was a lot of fun. I was waiting on this one, and I saw today that they came out. So I'm like, I got to do it. You know, we got to have some fun. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button and the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. And remember, the road goes ever on. I will see you next time.